trilateral QRST with sides QR parallel to TS and QT parallel to RS is given. You're also given that angle Q is equal to 1 and angle S is equal to 34 degrees. QTR is equal to X and angle RTS is equal to 41 degrees. Prove that the QRS is a parallelogram. So you have to prove whether the sides are equal. In order to prove this is a parallelogram. So first of all, I'm going to start with identifying this quadrilateral shape. I can see that I have an alternate angle and also another alternate angle. Because of parallel sides, they've given us that the opposite sides are parallel to one another. So first of all, I'm gonna say that QRT angle QRT is equal to angle RTS. Reason will be alternate angle RQ is parallel to ST, and also angle SRT is equal to angle RTQ. Reason will be alternate angle QT is parallel to RS, and then you're done. So I can see here a alternate angle. This is our alternate angle, and another alternate angle, which is this one. We have proven, actually, we have written our given information, which are our alternate angle. So another thing, I can see a triangle, two triangle, which is this one, and also another triangle, which is this one. So how do I prove this triangle? So I'm gonna prove the congruency of triangle. I can see that RT is equal to RT. The reason will be common side. So I'm gonna say in triangle QTR and triangle RTS. After that, I'm gonna say RT is equal to RT. RT is equal to RT. The reason will be common side. After that, I'm going to say because I've said this is an alternate angle R is equal to angle T. So which is this one, we have proven it here. So I'm going to say QRT is equal to RTS angle QRTS. So the result will be proven angle. And also we're gonna write SRT, which is from here and here. So I'm gonna write this one, angle SRT equals to RTQ, proven angles. And after that, I'm gonna say therefore triangle QTR is congruent to triangle RTS. So therefore triangle QTR is similar to triangle RTS. The result will be side angle. the congruency. And after that, I have to tell the question, how is this quadrilateral a parallelogram? Because we're given a parallel lines, which means that those parallel lines have to be equal in order for them to be parallelogram, in order for this quadrilateral to be parallelogram. So I'm going to say, okay, therefore, final answer, QRST is a parallelogram. Why? Because it's a parallelogram, because angle QR is equals to ST, and angle RS is equals to QT. So this one will go from here, and then our final answer is QRST is a parallelogram. So we're done with this one. This question says find the value of y. As you can see, this Q is equals to this S, and then this is our y inside. So we're in a parallelogram. Opposite angles are equal because it is a parallelogram, which means that y is equal to 4 degrees, Q is equal to S. Yeah, that is it. After that, I'm going to say, okay, Q is equal to angle Q is equal to angle S, which in case that y is equals to 34 degrees, the reason will be opposite angles of a palm. Then you're done. So C said find the value of x. So the value of x, as you can see, it is this one. So the value of x from here to here is 40 degrees. As you can see, from this whole t is 41 degrees, not 40 degrees, is 41 degrees. This one, this whole angle is 41 degrees. And we have our x in this angle from here to here. So our x is right here. And then this whole angle is 41 degrees. So angle QTS is equals to x, while angle QTR is equals to x, while angle QTS is 41 degrees. So how do you find the value of x? We are not going to use that. Okay, let's say opposite angles are. We know that in a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal, which means that this r is equal to this t. Angle t is equal to angle r. So how are we going to find this value? So let's go to our. So let's find our value. So the whole angle of a quadrilateral or a rectangle add up to 360. So you're gonna say angle Q plus angle T plus angle R plus angle S is equal to 360 degrees. Sum of angle in a, so sum of angle in a quad. So because I've said sum of angle in a quad, what's next? So what's next is that I'm going to say angle Q was 34 degrees and angle T was, let's say, angle T was 41 degrees. Should we write angle T. No, we are not going to write the value of angle T. So we are just going to skip it. And then plus angle R, which was the unknown, plus angle S, which was 34 degrees, which is 360. So after that, I'm adding 34 and 34. So I'm adding 34. It's 34, give me 64, plus angle T plus angle R is equal to 360 degrees. So you know that opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. So you gotta say angle T is equal to angle R, and you give the reason, which is opposite angle of a quad of a parallelogram, or of a opposite angles of a parallelogram. And then you have written your reason and say, okay, 64 plus 2 plus 2R or 2T. It's up to you. So that you're gonna choose T or R. So I'm choosing R, which is 360 degrees, which in case 2R, angle 2R is equal to 360 degrees minus 64 degrees. 2 angle 2R is equals to answer is 296 degrees, and you divide both sides by 2, and then angle R you get 148 degrees. So you found the whole answer of angle R, but it is not the answer of X. In order for you to find the answer of X, you have to say 148 degrees minus 41 degrees, which was T. So I'm going to say that X is equals to 148 degrees minus 41, and you get the answer of 107, and then you find the value of X. This one is a little bit long, but it was easy, but a kind of trick.